Being on video conferencing calls, right? You need not get dressed up, look nice.
True.
Just be comfortable in your comfortable work from home clothes. Because a lot of people, like shy out on being on a video call.
Hi, friends, and welcome to our next episode of Heroes of Socrati. I'm Manoj Vanjari, and I'm in conversation with our guest today,
Hello.
Ria. Ria is one of the pillar of Socrati who helps get folks on board, helps them to retain. She is the pillar or the backbone of HR. So let's welcome Ria. Ria, would like to hear from you about a little you as an individual and your life at Socrati.
Sure, Manoj. So I had joined as an intern at Merkle Socrates back in 2015, and I spent roughly close to 6 years working with this amazing, set of people.
Right.
When I joined, we were a team of roughly about 80. The growth journey again started like from a team of 100. We are now roughly close to 800, member team. One thing that I've seen a lot, changing over these 6 years. There's one thing that I feel has not changed. Is the culture that we have. What do we mean, by culture? We really take pride about Socrates culture when we have to get new candidates on board,
Right.
Or for the existing people as well, right? So we really take pride about being a part of such an amazing culture, and we really believe that these kind of remarkable cultures are not for everyone. So we want people also to, we can choose Socrates over, all of these things. Now, when we talk about culture, so we are in a highly competitive environment wherein there is a lot of pressure, and the energy basically drives the overall results. So we work in really stringent timelines, and we want people to basically have a sense of belongingness with the company, right? That's about my overall journey with Merkle Socrates.
Great. I think what Ria has brought to us is that how young an organization we are. She joined as an intern, which is mostly will be at grad or post-grad level, and almost 6 years. She has been through the journey from almost 100 to 800 today, and today is a very, very powerful backbone of HR, getting folks on board. So all of you who have come on board, the person behind that is Ria. So Ria, now what we want to understand from you and we want to learn is that what is that one memorable incident of success you remember when you started your journey to the pinnacle that you reached today?
Sure. So as I told you, right, I joined as an intern while I was still in college. So we had to go out for campus placements and do a short presentation about the company, letting people know about how our culture is, how open we are. That was one of the amazing experience that I've had while I was still in college. I was attending company campus placement, and I was the person who was presenting about my own organization, right? And one thing that I really loved about those campus drives is the energy that overall the discussion that has. And we really used to brag about the average age of the company being 23 at that point in time. That made people really excited about working with a similar age group and like-minded people, right? So that was one of the incident when I spent, I think, roughly 3 months, and I got a chance to present my own company in a campus drive.
What more can be more interesting than the life which Ria mentioned, that presenting to folks who probably 1 or 2 years junior, just imagine as representative of the organization having an opportunity. I think that was phenomenal, Ria. I think that talks a lot about the way this journey has happened. During that process, what kind of support you got from the management and encouragement?
There's this one thing that I really enjoy about my experience working at Socrates is that they let you try out things.
Okay.
They let you actually explore, and there are leaders always available to help you out.
Sure.
So Aniket Khare used to accompany me for those campus drives.
Okay.
And you have seen Aniket's energy,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So that's the kind of connect that he builds with the audience. That was something I was really excited about.
Correct.
However, from the second campus drives, Aniket actually had put everything on me, while me myself being an intern, I was hiring for other interns.
Fantastic.
So the opportunity that this place gives you to explore and do things on your own. But if you fall, there are always people, like to have your back. So that's one thing I believe has been throughout my overall experience.
True.
And it's not just in this role, it's there in almost all the roles that exist in Socrates, right? We are really open to ideas about anything, everything. So we really encourage people to come up with ideas and suggestions on almost everything. If there's a set process, if something is not working out, you definitely can come up to the management and suggest changes. And if that works out, the management actually takes that into consideration.
Great. I think that's very interesting, that empowering element that you got, which you just mentioned, and Aniket Khare. All of you must have seen the Heroes of Socrates episode of Aniket Khare. So you have experienced the energy level, and that's what Ria talks about. So I think that's a tremendous support which you definitely got. Really appreciate you articulating that thing. Can you tell now that we are in the current scenario, which is post pandemic, and I'm sure that journey was a challenge for everyone, and you must have had tremendous pressure to keep employee motivation, employee engagement, and the hiring process. So, would like to understand from you, the expert in this domain, what is that kept it ticking? What is that kept driving?
To talk about employee engagement, there were several client losses, right, during COVID. So a lot of people in the company so we talk about having stringent timelines, pressure, urgent deliverables. But during that time, people were not kind of happy with the less amount of work that they had. So to keep them engaged, we hired Manoj to build the L&D vertical at Merkle Socrates. And we basically understood that how many number of hours these people could invest in the learning program. And we could actually create a very structured learning program for that, of course, you have been a part of, for all the levels that are there at Merkle Socrates. And to keep them engaged, apart from the work related learning, we also did several sessions around how to basically manage their work-life balance, how to keep sane during these times, right? We are really used to talking to people, going out, and we're really social, creatures. So we
All were put under house arrest.
And then suddenly, yes, all of us were under house arrest. Those N2 cutlets that we have here, right? And at Socrates, I think most of us are really the one who would like to have like a face-to-face chat. So we just to keep keep sane during these times, we also did meditation sessions with them. And the feedback for which was really impressive. People could actually deal with this stressful situation overall that all of us were in together. True. We actually made them understand that we do actually know that this is not really an easy situation, but all of us are in this together. So this message for people to actually get this message, these were these several initiatives that we tried off. True. We due to this COVID pandemic effect, we had to revoke certain offers for several positions because the business was not
sure.
But then we definitely knew that these candidates could be our future hires.
Yes.
So to keep them engaged, we came up with the specialized digital marketing learning program. Which these people, so these were mostly freshers who did not know about the digital marketing world overall, right?
Correct.
So we basically came up with a plan wherein they end-to-end understand what all channels that are there in digital marketing, right? People have a very layman understanding of it from the outside of it. So we did several sessions wherein we had a detailed chat with the students about each and every channel that exists in digital marketing. So that's another thing that we did. And with the campus engagement, we started doing these sessions directly with the campuses, like how we do the pre-placement talk. Similar talks were being done even then that we could hire from them in the future. So that overall kept the students engaged, and they really want, even now after we got back on the hiring front. We reached out to them, and these students were really interested. And this all of the initiatives that we've taken during the pandemic, I think that made us overall be in the good picture also for the students. Now they know about Socrates. They really aim to join the company. So I think that all of that really helped.
Great. I think this is very interesting about Socrates, and what Ria is really bringing out is we not only attract talent in the good times, but we have been able to attract in the turbulent times. We have been able to retain in the turbulent times. And the key word which you talked about is keeping sane in these insane times. So a lot of these initiatives which you did is how to keep sane in the insane times. So really talks a lot about your vision and the vision that you lead for the HR of the organization. Ria, would you like to share something about now going forward? Of course, now this life of work from home is going to continue. And जैसे आपने बताया कि काफ़ी एंथु लोग यहाँ है, and I'm sure all of these enthusiastic young people who love to be in the office and rub shoulders and party, वो सब तो बंद है. But what is your take on going further? This work from home is going to be there, but still, how are we going to motivate, engage them?
So there's this one thing that we tried with the few teams,
Okay.
Being on video conferencing with your teams, right? So we already know not all of us are in Pune primarily.
Right.
So for all of us to come down to office, any which ways, if we open up, it is not going to be possible on an immediate basis.
True.
So this one thing that we tried with the few teams is being on video conferencing calls, right? You need not get dressed up, look nice.
True.
Just be comfortable in your comfortable work from home clothes, because a lot of people like shy out on being on a video call. So
But
that's
anyway, at work also we had the same environment, like be comfortable as you are.
yes. So they don't have to be conscious about being on a video call with their own team. Because see, now as you mentioned, we can't really party or actually go around meeting people. But then this is one thing that we're really encouraging teams to do. So that they feel that connect is not missing. Apart from that, we definitely are calling people at office who are in Pune who want to come down to office and work, or maybe for a week or so, if there is a client account that is on fire, the entire team comes to office. We basically win through that situation sitting in the conference rooms, right? So that's another thing that we are planning on doing. Of course, that is not going to be on an immediate basis. However, for the coming quarters. Yeah.
So all those who are in Pune, we are working from the office location. So you are more than welcome to be here. We follow all the safety measures, the social distancing, to using sanitizer, to using of mask. So HR takes phenomenal care of that safe environment for all of us. So I'm sure all those who are in Pune would definitely love to come here and work from office, which is going to be surely an added advantage. Those who are going to be out working from home, we have video conferencing, which is creating that collaborative kind of an environment to deal with. Okay, great. Ria, what we would like to now understand is that we talked about the management support, the empowerment. We talked about understanding that you get opportunity to grow, etc. All of those which we have gone about. If you have to summarize that, what is life at Socrates? What drives? What is the the heartbeat of Socrates? What will be from you from the time of intern to now is what you would like to say?
So there's this one thing that I feel has really worked out for me and several others of who have been a part of Socrates for a really long time. That energy to take things to, and then aligning your energy with the organization's vision. There will be success. So there's this energy and enthusiasm that you have to win that whatever challenge that you're facing or whatever situation you are in. So I believe that energy is something that drives you to overall take you to closure.
Right.
So
I think you also look out for energy, and automatically when folks come here, the energy is more channelized.
absolutely. So it works like chain reaction. If you are hyper energized about everything, your co-workers would also do so.
Absolutely, well
So
said.
it actually works like a chain reaction with everyone else.
True. I think that was a very nice thing which you brought about, chain reaction. Very important that you energize and then you re-energize other, and then that energy is going to flow upon you. I think that's something which is very phenomenal, very interesting kind of thing. I think that was very fantastic of you, Ria, sharing all these inputs. Thanks very much for your time. So, Ria, now that your large pool of hiring is of interns, right? That's what you're investing time in, and we almost have more than 200 folks who have joined in the last quarter. So it's a huge level of the folks which are there. So what is your and we are going to hire more, by the way. What is your message to them once they come on board?
So there's this one thing that we really need to have in mind, right? If you are facing any difficulty or challenges, the help is there, but you need to ask for it.
Absolutely.
So you will be assigned a mentor and a buddy who are going to be almost always available. But if you need help, if you are facing any difficulty, you need to say it upfront. You need to reach out more. We have several forums where you can reach out to us. You can either like you want to reach out to your manager, you want to talk about, give any feedback about the company, you can reach out to the management, to the HR. We have several forums open, but these forums will only help if they reach out.
Yes.
So there's this one message I have for them: help is there, but you need to ask for it.
Absolutely. Well said. I think for all of you, what the message is coming very loud and clear is reach out. Reach out and you get what you ask for.